Hello, my name is James and I'm a product specialist at Marin Acura in Corte Madera, California. Today I'm going to show you how to change the ambient lighting in a 2022 Acura MDX. So in the 2022 Acura MDX, the tech and A-spec trims have ambient lighting on the door sill and right there. And then the Advance gets more lighting on the dashboard. So to change that lighting, I'm going to use the trackpad and swipe over quickly and click on settings. I'm going to click on vehicle settings. Click on lighting setup, accent light theme, and the top color is what is going to show on the top right there, and the bottom color that is shown right there, that color is going to show up in the door handle and down below in the footwell. So you can click on any of the preset colors. It's nice that you can change the colors up. You can see there's an orange and green option. Since it's daylight, it's kind of hard to see, but that one's a little bit easier to see right there. And that's how you change the ambient lighting in a 2022 Acura MDX.